In the world of dairy farming, every drop of milk counts. But behind that milk is a bigger story: the reproductive health of the herd. Among the most powerful, yet often underestimated assets on a dairy farm is a pregnant cow. Yes, you read that right. A cow with a calf on the way holds far more than future milk. She holds the key to sustained profitability, herd renewal, and economic stability. Pregnant cows are profitable cows. Achieving and maintaining reproductive efficiency is not just about getting cows pregnant. It's about timing, planning, and maximizing productivity across the herd. Let's explore how a pregnant cow translates to value and why reproductive success is a cornerstone of smart dairy farm management. A pregnant cow means more than just a calf. She represents a cascade of benefits. Pregnancy leads to a fresh lactation, boosting milk yields and income. Each calf is a potential future milker or saleable asset. Pregnant cows tend to be more efficient with feed, particularly after calving. Avoiding prolonged open periods reduces insemination costs and losses due to infertility. Each missed pregnancy can cost more, depending on production levels. Additionally, every open day costs, which adds up quickly when multiple cows remain unbred. So, the value of a pregnant cow is both direct and cumulative, through milk, calf, and avoided losses. Reproductive efficiency isn't flashy, but it's the heartbeat of a profitable dairy herd. It ensures that cows get pregnant on time, calve regularly, and spend more of their productive life in peak lactation rather than open or dry. Here are the key performance indicators that shape reproductive success. Voluntary waiting period, VWP, 60-80 days, heat detection rate, HDR, greater than 60%, conception rate, CR, greater than 35%, pregnancy rate, PR, greater than 25%. Well-managed reproduction leads to increased milk yields, fewer culls, improved animal welfare, and better herd longevity. To keep those cows pregnant and productive, top farms focus on timed AI protocols, like OV-sync or double OV-sync, improve submission rates and avoid missed heats. Heat detection tools, pedometers, tail paint, and activity monitors boost insemination timing. Nutritional management. Cows in good body condition calve better and return to estrus sooner. Health monitoring. Quick action on postpartum issues like metritis or retained placenta helps cows rebreed faster. Veterinarian partnership. Working closely with your vet ensures hormonal programs and fertility plans stay on track. In dairy farming, reproductive efficiency isn't just a number, it's your profit engine. A pregnant cow today means milk in the tank, calves for tomorrow, and financial stability for the dairy farm. By prioritizing reproductive health and following expert-backed strategies, dairy farmers can unlock new levels of productivity and success. So next time you see a cow with a calf on the way, remember, she's not just pregnant. She's your dairy farm's most valuable asset in motion.